Hey guys, my name is Joshua and today I'm going to be filming my second YouTube video. So guys, before we get started, please like, subscribe and turn on those post notifications. So guys, today I'm going to be building an underground base. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you what all materials I will need. So guys, you will need this redstone repeater and redstone compactor. So guys, now I'll take you to the next items. So guys, the rest of the items are sticky piston, a cauldron, oak wood planks and stone brick stairs. So there's any slime bob, I'm gonna kill him. So guys, what you want to do is build like one oak wood plank, put it down. Take your stone brick stairs to the side and put it like this way. And it should be upside down, okay guys? And now you break that and put another one over there. So guys, after you doing that, you need your cauldron, okay guys? So you need a cauldron, okay guys? So you put a cauldron right next to it, okay guys? Right next to the thing, okay guys? After doing that, you need some oak wood planks. And you need to put one down here. I do it this way. One over there, one over there, one over there. And then you can like repeat it again. If you want, you can do it like your way if you want. So guys, after this, you need to go at the back, okay guys? And then you need to fill up this side, okay guys? So after you're doing that, okay, and it should only be one block away from this thing, okay guys? And like this much, so that these two, so guys, like these two have to be touching, okay guys? So now, after that, what you want to do is, after that, you will have to break these two things, okay guys? After you breaking those, what you want to do is dig a hole down there, break that thing and break 3 holes, and then you need a sticky piston, put one down there and put one up there, okay guys? Make sure it's not on the second tile right here, it needs to be over here, okay guys? The way you will figure out, you need to go at the back. So guys, and now after that, you need to put over there. So guys, in case you're wondering like how I got Minecraft, and if you all want it, like I'll send you a link in the description. If you download Minecraft from there, you could get the hack version, okay guys? So then you need an oak wood plank, okay guys? An oak wood plank you need to place down there, oak wood plank, and then you need to put a cauldron. One second guys, put it down there, and then you need to put a cauldron, okay guys? So after you doing all the steps, see, so guys, these two are not touching, okay guys? So this and this is not touching. So what you want to do is break all of this, and you need to break it, okay? So guys, first this is touching, that time you want to do that, okay guys? Okay, so I'm not using a computer, okay guys? I'm using just a normal phone. Because then what you want to do is, you need to break these two and get a redstone compactor, okay? Then put one right there, okay? Like that. You can't put it any other way. If you like do it wrong now, game over. Meaning like game over meaning you can't do it. So now you put one oak wood plank down there, you take the redstone, put it down there, and then you need another oak wood plank, place it down there. Okay guys? I hope so I'm explaining it, like hope so you guys are understanding it. And then you need like a redstone repeater. Okay guys? And place it like this way. And if it's like that way, you need to put it all the way to max level. Okay guys? Max. So then you come behind over here, you dig a hole, you put a redstone, you put a redstone in there, and And guys, if you fast forward the video, like you will miss a step. So guys, after doing that, you come around over here. Whoop, 1 second. So you come down over here. Okay guys. So after you come down over here, you will need to break these two things and put one down there, and then come over here and put a redstone compactor over here, right there, like that way. Okay guys. So after doing that, you will need oak wood planks. Put one over there, one over here to cover up the gaps. And then doing that, so after this, you're basically done. You only need you need a empty glass bottle, and you will need a water bucket. Okay guys. So once you click on the water bucket, it will come out automatically, because the sticky piston pushing it. And the way to fill it in is easy. You just have to take all the water bucket out. And now, where's the secret underground base, you might ask? You have to dig down, down till you reach this thing. Till you reach bedrock, and then you go 2 blocks in front, and then you need torches. So guys, obviously torches, and then you come over here, and then 1, 2, 3, and then you do the same thing on the other side. 1, 2, and then 3. Why am I on crouch? So 1, 2, 3. Guys, or you can actually, you know what, I'm going to go bigger. I have to do the other side also bigger. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because after this, you have to go over here, and eventually you will get the thing then. I just have to put torches over here. Yep. See, so once you reach over, you need to break all these things. So now you should have a square thingy. You have to just break the thing in the middle. I'll break it and I'll get back to you. So now guys, you should have something like this. So now after this, and if you're wondering how do you get up, you don't need to climb up. Don't fly up. Okay guys. The other easiest way to go up is that you go to inventory and you go to ladder. So ladder, instead of this cauldron, we don't need another cauldron. Put down there, and y'all can store all your valuables over here. Whoops, wrong way. You need to put it the right way, guys. Whoops. And now, since you break this, you need some dirt. You can put it sideways. You all can put it actually. You know what? I'm going to put it sideways. Ulta. Who cares if it's ulta? So down there you need some dirt. Whoop. And that should be good to go. You click on down there, that opens, and to empty it, you need a normal glass. You drain all the water up, it goes inside, and then here you can store all your valuables. I want to show you what I did to my underground base, guys. Okay, so I'll take you to my other world. Okay guys, so I covered this with my diamond this thing. And guys, over here I'm going to put gold flooring and all, and then I'm going to put red carpets. So yeah guys, and guys, look what I did over here. I just did a real cake. go down. He turned around. Oh yeah, bro. That's okay. I like that block. Oops, I broke a bedrock. And then guys, here. So what I do is I covered this here like this way. And it's like the easiest block to remember because it's on your left side. You go there, I'll build like a secret passageway. The same thing I did before, and like here on my chest. And guys, you can like trick your friends and thinking like I got all these things on like a flat. I dug down during survival and I got them. So guys, yeah, in the next video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make like nether armor and nether tools. Okay guys, that will be a short video. So guys, I'm going to go. So guys, before I go, please like, subscribe and turn on those post notifications for every like new latest video. Bye.